In this video, I'll show you how to run an A/B test on a page in Hubspot so you can compare two versions and improve your page performance. To do that, first head over to your actual page. So go over to Content and then locate Website Pages. From there, just choose the page that you want to run the A/B test on. So I'll choose right here this one. Here is my page. For this, we just need to run the A/B test. To do so, click on to the settings right here. You can find features like content, slugs, and more. Just head over and click on Run A/B Test, or you can also use the search and search for Run. You can see this action right here. Click on this. It will open the Upgrade Page UI, since this particular action is only available on certain Hubspot plans. Choose right here the variations that you want, then click on Create Variation. Once that's done, you can see it right there on your page. Then you can set the test settings for traffic split, goal, duration, and more, and test both variants. Once you're done and you've chosen the most successful version, just head over and publish it. That's it for running A/B tests in HubSpot. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more quick HubSpot tutorials.